wake anybody. Oh, man. Don't you hate that? The doors squeak. You want thinking the door was expanded from all the moisture in the bathroom. Look, you can see where it's rubbing right there. But I don't think that's the problem. You know what I think the problem is? The weight of the door over the years is slowly bending the hinge, especially the one at the top. You need a hammer, you need a screwdriver, and you need a pair of pliers. You're gonna use the hammer to bang the pin out of the hinge. And I'm gonna use these guys to fix the hinge. We're gonna bend the hinge just a little bit. You're only gonna do a little bit. Or you can take the door off and you can plane the whole side of the door down, which will take you about like 3 days. I'm going with the hinge. Look at it, just a screwdriver, you just bang it up. Pops the hinge right out. Okay, so here's the hinge. This one on the top, the middle, and the bottom is connected to the door. And these two are connected to the frame. So what you want to do is you just want to put these pliers on this one and bend it towards the wall just a little. And that's just enough to bring it back 1/8 of an inch and your door will not squeak anymore. All right, let's see. I've never tried this before, but this just makes sense to me. All right, here we go. Putting the pin back in. Give it a little tap. Okay, please close. Oh, so simple. Check it out. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, it works. No more loud noises opening the door and closing it. I'm so excited. And that was the first time I ever did one of those. It just kind of made sense. You know, when you get older, things start to sag, including, you know, this guy. But doors sag, so you kind of bend them back and get them where they go. It's like a door facelift. That's what we'll call it. The more you know.